Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make curry burry. I hope like a lot of you know what is curry burry. It's been a long time I haven't eaten curry burry. This is a very traditional Mauritian dish, and it is like a very old traditional dish which we don't see this often in today's date. So I just like it happened, I feel like eating a curry burry, and I figure out let me share the recipe with you as well. Let me take you to the ingredients so we can get started. So we're gonna need some curry powder, mild or hot depending on you. We need onion and tomatoes. This is going to blend into paste. We need some cumin seeds, and we need some this is my dal, my gateau dal mixture, my dal pakora mixture, which we're gonna need about 2 tablespoons for the curry, and of course the gateau piment ready-made dal pakora recipe is already on my channel. I'm gonna link down below the recipe as well for the gateau dal, gateau piment, or the dal pakora, whatever you call it, and you can check the recipe as well. I'm gonna use the same recipe, and you can make the same amount, or you can just divide it into half and just do half of the amount of ingredients that is there. And we're gonna need few more ingredients like ginger garlic paste. We need salt, oil, which I'm gonna bring after. So for now, let me go blend these two into paste, and then we're gonna move to the next step. Few tablespoons of oil preheating here over medium heat. I'm gonna drop this cumin seeds, some curry leaf, and let this saute for a bit, like half a minute. Smells of the cumin is coming up, which is ready to add the paste. I didn't add any water, I just blend the tomatoes and the onion as is. So we just use the water from the tomato. Okay, now we're gonna saute this as well. It's been almost a minute. Now I'm gonna add this ginger and garlic paste, and then we're gonna saute this as well. Keep mixing. Add salt, curry powder, mix. Smell is so good over here, and you guys can see the oil is coming up, and this is the time you're gonna add this gateau piment mixture, the dal pakora mixture that we have saved when we were making the pakora. And now we're gonna mix this as well, and this has to cook. All the raw flavor should be gone from the onion, tomatoes, and the dal. Mostly the dal, because the onion and the tomatoes, the paste was already cooking approximately 4 or 5 minutes before we add the dal. I'm not adding water now. Let this cook a little bit. And now we're gonna add water. I'm using the same blender that I have blended the paste, and I add some water, and then we're gonna cover and let it cook. Let it comes to a boil, and that will take about 8 to 10 minutes. The curry is ready. It's getting thicker since we have added the dal, and I did add a little bit more water to let it cook. So in total time this was cooking for about 18 minutes. And the thickness level is depending on you. If you want yours to be a little bit liquidy, watery, that's fine. You can add more water, but I like mine to be thick like this. And the pakora, the dal pakora, the gateau piment, you can add like few at a time if you don't want it to go too soggy. So I'm just gonna add all of this. It's not too much, and then I don't want this to cook too much to become soggy. Just between 1 and 1.5 minutes. I'm gonna let this cook with the sauce just like that. And then we have some fresh chopped coriander. I'm gonna add that as well. We're almost done. Mix, and this is looking gorgeous. And I'm not adding anything to make this curry sour, because adding the dal is like a lot of people like to eat this sour. It's supposed to be sour a little bit, the curry burry, but the dal itself gives the sour taste, so I'm not adding anything else. And guys, I'm so excited. You can have this dish. This is so good either with rice or with roti. I will go make roti to go with this. I think it's the best, but it's up to you. Now if you're vegetarian, you can just eat it like this. If you're not, I will suggest you to add some saltfish, cut it into small pieces and add it to this curry burry, and then mix it, and this will be so good, like extra bonus in the curry. And this is looking so gorgeous right now, and the smell is so good. It is super hot and ready to eat. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. Written recipe, written ingredient will be down below in the description box, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.